Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a little mukbang. I got with me the one and only Mala. Why not do a little mukbang, right? So if you want to see how I eat my nudes, please keep on watching. I don't have an actual stove because it's broken, so we're using this temporary one now. I'm gonna add some odeng here. Ooh. I added some odeng and I added an egg as well, but it's like inside. You can't see, but can you see this? Steeping. Let's eat. So hungry. I haven't had like this brand of the noodles, Samyang brand, in so long, and I'm so excited. But I'm scared that I can't handle the spicy because my tolerance is not that good. Like, I can handle the normal spicy one, but I feel like at the end I would already die. So we'll see how I handle this one. But also I have more stuffs here. Like I added more stuff here, so maybe the spiciness is like more distributed. This is like my dinner. I shouldn't be eating noodles because it's bad for you. Yeah. I forgot that I wanted to eat it with this valentina with my crackers. I'm gonna mix this and this. I'm gonna mix it in here. It's gonna be different. If you're Indonesian, you know how good this tastes with the kerupuk. It's the rice crackers. I guess it's like fish crackers. Dude, it's so good. Okay, I like this one better than the normal one because this is the mala one, so it's actually like more, it has like that mala kick to it. Dude, they really did a good job. So good. I'm gonna try the odeng. The odeng is so good with the mala sauce. This is so good. I think the kerupuk really complements it very well. Oh my god, definitely coming back to this. Got some egg. It's spicy, but it's not too bad. have a second one. I can feel the spicy creeping up on me. So good. It reminds me of the cart that they have in the neighborhood that sells like this. I don't know what it's called. I'm so sad. I'm running out of noodles. So spicy. Let's finish strong. These are really tiny, so it's really hard to like pick it up with chopstick. The sun's setting and it's raining. Okay, I'm gonna close the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below on what other kinds of video you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!